Have you ever wanted to create your own premium website, complete with member logins and payment gateways, but then all the technical stuff just stopped you in your tracks? Well, let me introduce you to a tool today that promises to fix that exact problem. It's called Fluxedita, and honestly, it makes a pretty bold promise. Imagine if you could create a full-stack community platform in hours, not months, right? That's a huge claim. Building something in hours that usually takes months. To really get why a promise like this is so compelling, you have to understand just how big of a problem this is trying to solve. You know, for any creator or developer, it's that classic question: do you build it from scratch or do you buy a solution off the shelf? Building gives you all the control in the world, but it comes with two massive, often prohibitive costs: time and money. First, let's just talk about the time. You're looking at 6 to 9 months, or even more, of pure development. And that's all time you're not spending actually building and growing your community. And then there's the cost. A custom build can easily soar into six-figure territory. I mean, that shuts the door for most independent creators and even small agencies before they can even get started. So where does all that money even go? Well, it goes into building all the essential stuff from the ground up, things we all kind of take for granted, you know? Like secure logins, handling media uploads, having a simple admin panel. Each one of those is its own little project, and believe me, those costs stack up incredibly fast. Okay, so that's the giant, expensive problem. Fluxedita's answer to this is to give you an all-in-one toolkit that's designed to let you just sidestep that entire painful process. So what does fully guided actually mean? It means the core tools are already built for you. Things like a live page editor, a way to manage members, an analytics dashboard. It's all ready to go, no coding required. The whole idea is to put the power back in the creator's hands. But here's the thing, this isn't just for beginners. Underneath it all, it's built on a really modern and robust tech stack. So for developers, this means it's not some restrictive black box. It's using tools they already know and trust, like Next.js and Supabase. So it's fast, it's scalable, and it's completely customizable if you want to dive in. Of course, a tool like this is only really powerful if it can adapt to whoever's using it. So who is this actually designed for? And this is where it gets really cool. You can see how it's designed for different folks. A beginner gets total site control without writing any code. An agency can scale up their projects way faster. And a developer gets this powerful foundation that they can extend without any limits. It really meets each person right where they are. So all this kind of leads to a bigger question, doesn't it? When you dramatically lower the barrier to entry like this, you're not just changing how people build things, you're changing who gets to build them in the first place. At what point does a simple toolkit become a tool for real transformation?